Here at Two Canoes Software, we are really proud that our wireless mobile reader is made in the USA. It is really made in the USA, we're not just saying that. The circuit boards are manufactured in California, then they're sent to Oregon where the boards are populated. The enclosures themselves are injected molded in Michigan, and then final assembly is done in Illinois. In fact, even the packaging is made in Illinois and printed here. We're very proud of that. Our wireless mobile reader and all of our readers are used by the U.S. military, the U.S. reserves, throughout the civilian government. So folks are very excited about our readers and how they can enable folks to be able to authenticate and get access to the resources they need. One of the things that we really focused on with our newest reader is making it TAA compliant, which means that it's manufactured in a compliant country. And since we're manufacturing here in the United States, it's very easy to get the paperwork and any of the processes done that make purchasing easy. And you can support your country by purchasing products that are made in the USA. To learn more about our readers and to purchase them, visit us at twocanoes.com.